Hello, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we learn how to create a JavaScript program that sorts the letters of a string alphabetically. Let's dive in. The task here is straightforward. Take a string as input, rearrange its letters alphabetically, and return the modified string. This is a great example of using JavaScript's array and string methods effectively. This is the function alphabet soup. It takes a string, splits it into an array of characters, sorts them alphabetically, and then joins the sorted array back into a single string. Let's break it down step by step. First, we split the string into individual characters using split. Then we use sort to rearrange those characters alphabetically. Finally, we use join to convert the sorted array back into a string. This three steps process is efficient and easy to implement. In this example, we start with the string Python. After applying the function, the letters are rearranged to form the output. Here's another example. The word exercises gets sorted alphabetically to become the output. Notice how uppercase letters appear before lowercase ones as per the default sorting behavior in JavaScript. This is the ES6 version of the function. It uses an arrow function for more concise syntax, achieving the same functionality as the original version. To wrap up, we created a simple but powerful JavaScript function to alphabetize the letters of a string. Using methods like split, sort, and join allows us to manipulate strings efficiently in JavaScript. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript. Happy coding!